Oh, hi. Sorry, I had to make some notes in my notebook. Do you think it's paper? Sorry about this joke. I mean, those who are following this channel and me know this can't be paper. It is the Rocketbook. I made a video about this already, and I have to say I'm using it much more than I thought I would use it actually. So I make some notes, and I can leave it on the table and I see it all the time. That's the reason why Post-its are so popular, because it is in your face, and this is something you don't have with your iPad. If you have a Galaxy Note, for example, what I really like there, you can write something on the standby screen and you will see it all the time on your phone. So that's really something Apple could improve as well, to have an always on display on their iPhone showing the last notes or making quick notes. It would be awesome. Why do I do another video about the Rocketbook? Well, I dig deeper. And as you know, I reached out to Rocketbook and I was able to get a 10% discount for my Inner Circle members. So if you're a member already of my Paperless Movement Inner Circle membership, then you will have a 10% discount on any Rocketbook thing. So other than that, this video is not sponsored, okay? It is sponsored by you, my Inner Circle members, as usual. That's really awesome, and I thank you very much for your support. Okay, because I thought I want to do more notes on a bigger version than the A5 version of the Rocketbook, I went along and I bought this one. So that's unpacked here. And it is called, it's not the Rocketbook as I have it here, the normal Rocketbook Everlast. It is the Rocketbook Fusion. And the difference you have here is that in there, let me open this, and the difference is that other than in the normal Rocketbook, which you can choose only one sort of paper, in this case I have the dotted version, I have other versions here in there combined. Okay, so I have one page here for project, then I have a weekly planner in there. I also got a monthly planner, some reflection plan, and then I also got these dotted pages, and we have also some lined pages. So we have a lot more different categories we can use it for. And of course, because it is reusable, it makes absolutely sense to put in more different templates into one notebook. Because as soon this month is over, I can scan it in, or I can erase everything and I can start from scratch. It's the same for the week, so I can write up the next 2 weeks and everything is there. And as soon as I finished, I can delete everything and start again. I will use this to have something like my focus list. I mentioned this in another video already, that I have the think board on my door to have really the main things there I want to focus on. Obviously, if there is not much you have to focus on, that's fine, but I have so many projects going on in parallel that I need to have some focus list there. And then I saw that along with this A4 format Fusion book, there's also a case, so I ordered this one. There we go. So that's the cover. Show your Rocketbook some love, okay? So we can get rid of this. So that's the cover. Let's open this. So it has a magnetic lid here, so we can open it easily like this. And in here we can now put the Rocketbook. And as I have this open now, I bought another one, which is the Everlast Mini. In each notebook you also get a friction pen, which is best to use with your Rocketbook, but you also can buy your own, some colors there. So I bought these, which is also from Friction. I will put all the links of this into the description below of this video. Know where to buy this. And here we go. And there's also a little microfiber tissue and some setup guide, which is not more than just install the app and start scanning. So that's really nice as well, that we have this little book here. However, on this little book, there are no destinations. There's only the QR code that makes it easy for the Rocketbook app to scan the things in. And after it is scanned in, you can't send this automatically to any destination. So that's a bit bit of a letting down, I have to say, because I actually thought it would be there as well. But nevertheless, I still have a notebook that I can make notes on, and I can leave it on my table like this, and it is reusable. So that's really nice. So you see it's already dried. So all you have to do is to wet your tissue a bit, and then you can easily wipe this off and it's reusable again. And this one I will just put there, ready to be used. So I get out book so I can just open it. And I have to say, it is not as practical, okay? The cover is not very... So if you don't have anything on the side, like cards, you can put in your credit cards and so on in here. If you don't put anything in, you can use this A4 format and can make easily notes on both sides. However, as soon you have something like this in here, it is not very good to use. So of course you still can put it this way and start making notes like this. But to be honest, I'm not sure if it makes sense to me to keep this cover. I think I will send this back because I don't see the advantage, okay? It's not like a tablet that I need to secure anything in such a cover. To be honest, I don't see the practical reasons behind this cover. And it is not very cheap either. So if you have any reasons why to use this cover, please let me know. But after now testing it and also the feeling of this, I don't know if this is paper or something. So it's definitely not leather. I'm not very, I'm not convinced that this is a usable thing, to be honest, because I don't know why should I use this. This is stable enough. This won't get destroyed or anything if you carry it around. I can just put my pen here on the back, so everything is there as I need it. So I don't see a reason to use this. And as I showed you here, when you put this in, for example, that you have this on the side, it is not very practical either. It's not stable or anything. So I will send back this one. So I'm not convinced that I will use this in any way. So okay, that's not something that I recommend. If you have another opinion on this, let me know in the comments below, of course. But it also seems like, as soon you're using it, as this is some paper, I don't think if this gets wet, that this will stay stable. So I won't make it wet, obviously, because I want to send it back. However, I don't think that this will stay stable either. So it doesn't fit together with the efficiency and the good idea behind the Rocketbook, that you can clean everything and the stable quality, and something like this, which seems a bit flimsy and so on. It makes no sense to me. So what I will do, I'm happy about these. So I have my little notebook now here for quick notes. I can make some planning inside the Fusion, and I will have this one for also some brainstorming in here. That's fine. I think that's a good combination, having these three things. Now with the colors, I think that's a proper setup. So thanks for watching again until the end of the video. I hope it is worth for you to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. So I know that Rocketbook, they are launching another product this year, which is called the Rocketbook Orbit. That's something I'm really excited about, and it's in Kickstarter right now. So I want to go and check this out. And if you don't want to miss my review about the new Rocketbook Orbit, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, and I'll catch you up next time.